Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will do another split cup from up high, and I put my camera a little differently that you will see more what I'm doing, how I pour on canvas from how high. And today I decided that I will use some metallic paints to create kind of a natural look of a painting. So I have pearl deep brown that it's metallic, then I have quinacridone nickel gold that it's not metallic, I have my pearl white mixture, I have iridescent gold that it's metallic, I have Mars red that it's not metallic, and I have copper and white that I will pour on there. And I will fill my split cup. It's a modular split cup. I will use 6 chambers today. I will put a link to Fluid Art Co. store that you can buy it on in my description box if somebody is interested in buying it. And I will just layer my paints in. I lately kind of like this kind of pour, especially for a bigger canvases. You know, you get some really nice, almost like a landscape looking thing. I will probably go back towards the middle like I did in one of my last ones, you know, to have a little bit of more detail, a little more details in the middle. And I want to add this white here to pour in. I'm working on 16 by 16 inch canvas. And when I use bigger canvases, for this one I just put the canvas the same size that it's wrapped in plastic on my normal spinner, you know, that it's 12-inch round and it's all okay. If you put it in the middle of your spinner, you know, it will not flow off your spinner when you spin it. Just have to center it. Okie doke, let's do that. So I will go from up high and just kind of travel here around. And now I will come closer, try to create some interest here in the middle. Okie doke. And because I'm pouring from up high, I get a little more of air bubbles, but you know, they create some nice looking cells, not too much, but still want to pour a little white around here. Okie doke, so let's start tilting this. Because I want to keep that design here. Don't want all to go over the side. And to this side, back down. I hope that I'm not off camera. Up, keep that. Okay, I did. And now I will walk to the other side. With this technique I like the combination of the color blending kind of and the details. So it's not just details, it's not just color blending, it's a combination, and that's why I like that. I'll just do it like this. Go over this edge. Okie doke. Come back. It's weird, I didn't get a lot of that darker brown, so let's spin that one a little bit more. And I think I'm done. I know that those colors are maybe not for everyone. But I like some neutrals sometimes. See, this part here is more like blending and some cells and some effects and something, and the final part with some details. I love how this Mars black kind of blended a little bit into the white and create this illusion. Not sure about this brown and the things with pearl white that, you know, it creates this wispy look, or how can I say. So yeah, I'm really happy with this one. Kind of gives that flow that goes down, and I'm just happy with it, and I'm pretty sure that it will dry really nice because of the metallics that are there. And this will shine because of the pearl white. Will not shine. Sprinkle. No, sprinkle. What is wrong with me today? Yeah, we'll leave it to dry. So stay tuned for the dried results. So here she is dry, and I love it. This part here with Mars red and copper. Oh, it's so hard to show. And brown, kind of dried, much nicer than I hoped at the beginning. Can you see that copper? No, you can't. So I'm pretty happy with this one. A lot of beautiful details. The colors are like terracotta colors, or how can I say, but I really like it. And how to show that? Maybe like that. This copper and the red just shines here, and those details are so beautiful, aren't they? Just love them. And the gold and the brown, and you know, all the shimmery parts. So yeah, I'm happy with it. And I did another one with the black for a base, and stay tuned for that one, that I will publish one of my next videos to see the difference. So yeah, I have to say that I like that one more. Thanks for thanks for being here, and see you again on the next one. Bye.